Welcome to Twinkle Tunes for Kids!
Five little ducks woke up one day, wiggled their tails and yelled, "Let's play!" They splashed in ponds and jumped so high, underneath the bright blue sky. Quack, 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 splash, splash, splash. Five little ducks go dash, dash, dash. Five little ducks waddled in a line, wearing funny hats so fine. They quacked a song, they danced around, making happy splashing sounds. Quack, 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 splash, splash, dash. Five little ducks go dash, dash, dash. Five little ducks found rainbow shells, shiny bright with lovely smells. They giggled loud and shared them all, stacked them up so very tall. Quack, 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 splash, splash, splash.